Hello friends and welcome back to the Negligent channel. So friends, today I will talk about EIZO ColorEdge CG3100X 30.5-inch DCI 4K monitor with HDR workflow. So friend, EIZO has announced a 30.5-inch color management monitor, the latest of EIZO lineup DCI 4K resolution monitor for post-production and joining the ColorEdge PROMINENCE CG1 and CG3100X and the new CG3100X Future HDR means high dynamic range and workflow support in editing and post-production environment, and as well USB Type-C for streamlined connectivity and high brightness is crucial in modern editing and post-production workflow to support HDR and ensure consistent display of colors and highlights in video content. And the future of brightness 500 cadmium per meter square and up to 350 cadmium per meter square in the CG319X, and while delivering highly detailed images in DCI 4K and ensure optimal display of highlight in 4K content and meeting the technical requirement of today's creator. And additionally, the monitor boasts a high contrast ratio of 1800 1 for producing true black and rendering shadow in high detail. And the monitor is equipped with EIZO award-winning built-in calibration sensor technology and ColorNavigator 7 color management software, and they eliminated the need for third-party calibration device and ensure the screen maintain its color accuracy over time. And the next model in the ColorEdge series to support fixed rate link, and the latest signal technology support the latest HDMI specification. FRL is required to receive 12-bit signal and handle higher uncompressed high resolution data and take advantage of high speed bandwidth with compressed video transport, and the ensure the monitor work reliable with device using HDMI signal to manage data throughout the workflow. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.